Hello everyone, let us look at how we can make a really popular visual called the Treemap. So let's make a new sheet. Let's call this the Treemap. Okay, my file is getting saved. Let's wait for that to happen. Perfect. So I can double click on my segment, on my sales, and then we convert this into a tree map. So think of the tree map like a pie chart. So if I make the pie chart first, you notice it looks like this. And if I convert this into a tree map, it's sort of the same thing, but it uses the space a lot better. Plus these are rectangles, not slices. Now I can also have multiple levels in it, which means that my segment currently is what is coming in the label. But if I also keep my market in the label, now we get two levels like this. And you can be very creative. We can also break it as per the columns and the rows. So I can shift the market to the columns. So now I get tree maps like this. As I said before, there's nothing right or wrong. It's about how you want to present the data. In the next module, when we learn how to use calculated fields and parameters, you will also be able to use that learning to make dynamic tree maps, where let us say you only want to select the top 3 or the top 5 combinations. The color works the same way as we have done several times before. By default, the label does not come, but you can always drag the sales into the label and then the label comes here as well. You can also be very creative with the colors. So for example, if I keep my market in the color, we get one color for each market. There are 5 of them. If I keep the segment in the color, now I get only 3 colors, right? So we have one color for consumer, one for corporate, one for home office, and 5 markets in each of them. What if you have a lot of levels in the tree map? So let us say I also have my subcategory. Now you notice it looks nice, but then how do you really consume it? Few different ways you can do that. One is that you can actually drag and select an area to zoom in and then select keep only. The moment you do that, an inclusion filter is created. And if you want to remove it, you can just click on the filter and just select all to bring it back to the original state. The other option is to have a filter which you have created. So I can right click on my market and then select show filter. And of course, whichever market I select, it will show me the tree map only for that one. Additionally, I can also keep the sales as a filter. And now I can move my sales slider like this. So this is also a nice way to focus on the larger values and then the smaller values.